In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes in Notion, walk you through the best tips, and give you a quick template tour so you can get set up in just a few minutes. We'll start right inside your Notion workspace. Open the page where you want your notes system to live. This could be an existing dashboard, a school hub, a work area, or simply a blank page you've just created. The idea is to pick a spot that you'll naturally come back to every day, so your notes don't get scattered across random pages. Once that page is open, look for the Templates option in the sidebar or at the bottom of your page, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on Templates. Notion has a built-in template gallery, and we're going to use that to quickly set up a structure instead of building everything from scratch. This saves a lot of time and also gives you ideas on how to organize your information. After the template panel opens, click on the option that takes you to the template marketplace or gallery search. This is where you can browse templates made both by Notion and by other creators. You'll see lots of different categories, but for now, we'll stay focused on note-taking. In the search bar, type in the word notes. Give it a second and you'll see a list of note-taking templates appear. These might include lecture notes, meeting notes, personal knowledge bases, and more. Scroll through and pay attention to the layout. Some use databases, some use simple pages, and others combine tasks and notes together. Choose one that matches the way you like to think. For example, if you prefer structured information, pick something with clear properties like tags, dates, and a subject field. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to open the preview. Take a quick look at the example content to see how it's meant to be used. If it looks like a good fit, click on the Add button. This will add the template directly to your workspace or into the page you started from. After that, you can start customizing the template, rename properties, delete any example entries, and maybe add a few test notes from your real life, like a recent meeting or class. From here on, every time you need to take notes, just create a new entry using that template, and you'll have a consistent, organized system ready to go.